West bush, green bush, purple bush. My name is Sheldon Shepard. See?
I am Bird Eye.
Bless up, O'Neil.
Evie. No-Maddz, no?
Performance, integrity, teamwork, respect, and communication.
Oh yeah, communication. Oh yeah, communication.
Must be the values of a country whose name I'm not afraid to mention.
No, I'm not afraid to mention. No, I'm not afraid to
Committed to improving lives of people, that must be the vision.
Yeah, that must be the vision. Yeah, that must be the
My
vision.
understanding is 1962 dates back to whence commenced the mission. We have a new release, and it's also an initiative for Jamaica 50 years of independence.
Yeah, happy birthday, Jamaica.
So
50.
if that's 50
Not
clap,
out.
50 clap.
Not out, 50.
That's what we call it, and we have a theme song as well called Sort Out Your Life Jamaica. You know, it's the idea of sorting out oneself, going within, kind of looking around the individual. You, me, him, everybody. Go inside themselves and look within and kind of clean house. Clean is relative still. So it's really your consciousness.
Sort out your life, Jamaica.
Oh, what a beautiful transformation. What a beautiful,
Wonderful,
beautiful,
wonderful,
beautiful transformation. What a beautiful,
wonderful,
beautiful,
wonderful.
beautiful transformation. We have one thing to say to LargeUp people. What is LargeUp?
LargeUp. Love.